Great Auction Realty is conducting a huge internet auction of woodworking power tools in Homosassa, Florida, ending on June the 12th. Name brands such as Craftsman, Ryobi, Delta, just to name a few. There are a number of floor and benchtop drill presses, sanding machines, scroll saws, table saws, radial saws, torch set, 12-inch Delta planer, miter saws, chop saw, routers with and without router tables, fastener and small parts trays, tool cabinets, chests, mechanics tools, wood lathe, spindle sander, and air compressors, a large bundle of craft wood, and much more. Go to our website, www.kincaid.com, for more details and follow the links to register and bid on this huge event. You'll also find other items like commercial sewing machines, sign making equipment, fitness equipment. Do not tarry, because the auction ends on Monday, June the 12th. Why pay retail when you can buy at a fraction of the price at auction?